Did you know that Panasonic has been providing heating and cooling solutions all over the world for over 60 years? Leading the way in product quality, durability and reliability. Designed with the New Zealand climate in mind and with over 300 products to suit both residential and large commercial spaces, rest assured there's a Panasonic solution for every Kiwi home. But with so many options, how do you choose which will best fit your space? In this video, I'm going to go through the basic fundamentals of heat pump solutions from Panasonic, designed for Kiwi homes, to help you get a feel for what might best suit your needs. So, let's get into it. If you're looking to heat or cool a small home or a single room, the best option would be a single split system, which consists of one indoor unit and one outdoor unit. Now the outdoor unit looks about the same as any other, but when it comes to the indoor unit, you can choose between either a high wall unit, which is mounted up on a wall, or a floor console, which is great for replacing older heating solutions and quite popular for homes in the South Island. Our high wall units also come in two options depending on your needs. The Aero series is our best option, which features built-in Wi-Fi and Nano-X air purification. This means you can control your heat pump remotely from your phone or use smart home voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assist. Nano-X air purification can also be run independently to heating and cooling, so you can enjoy purified air 24/7. Then we have our Developer series, which is our value option and is made for heating and cooling only, straight out of the box. But you can purchase a Wi-Fi adapter, which is sold separately, if you want phone or voice assistant control at a later stage. To find out more about Nano-X air purification or the Comfort Cloud Wi-Fi app, you can watch one of our other videos here. The next thing to look at is the size or power output. Panasonic have a range of sizes from as small as 2 kilowatt up to 9.5 kilowatt to suit anything from a small bedroom to a large open plan living area. Now, when it comes to size, you need to take into account a few things first, like ceiling height, the amount of insulation you have, how many windows are in the space, and of course, the size of your space. Selecting a unit that suits the space is very important, as it makes all the difference on whether your room can be heated or cooled quickly and efficiently. The best way to make sure you get the right size fitted to your space is to get an authorized installer in who can measure and quote, so you have peace of mind knowing you've got the right solution for your needs. Next, I'm going to talk about multi-systems. A multi-system might be a better option for you if you have a larger house and need heating or cooling for more than one room. First is the multi-split system. A multi-split system works in the same way as a single split system, but the outdoor unit is larger and can accommodate up to 5 indoor units rather than just the one. You can have a high wall, floor console or cassette unit in each room, and these can be individually controlled with different temperature and fan settings, just so long as they're all on heating or cooling. Another system is the ducted system. Ducted systems feature one outdoor unit and one indoor unit, which can be mounted in the ceiling space or under the floor cavity if you have the room for it. The ducted system channels heating or cooling through vents into each room connected to the indoor unit via ducts. This is a more discreet option for your home, as the fan that pushes the air is located elsewhere and vents can be flush mounted almost anywhere, as opposed to having an appliance attached to your wall or floor. You also have the option to add an additional zone control option to a ducted system, which will let you individually control airflow to each room, giving you the flexibility to adjust the level of heating or cooling required. While you're looking at air conditioning, don't forget ventilation for your home. Modern buildings are more airtight and insulated than ever before, and while this is great at keeping your home at a more comfortable temperature, it also means you end up recirculating stale air which is kept inside. The Panasonic AnyCan ERV system lets you enjoy both a comfortable home temperature while also getting fresh air from outside through the heat exchanger. AnyCan can be paired with a ducted system or installed as a standalone ventilation system. And that's a quick overview of some of the home air conditioning systems available through Panasonic. For a customized solution for your home, contact one of our authorized installers here for a measure and quote. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.